Welcome, trailblazers and trendsetters, to a world of financial independence. Today, we're talking about passive income. What is passive income, you ask? Picture this. You're lounging on a beach, sipping on a cool beverage, and while you do so, your bank account keeps ticking up. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. That's the beauty of passive income. It's essentially earnings that you accumulate from an enterprise where you're not actively involved. Yes, you heard that right. Money that works for you while you sleep, travel, or simply chill. Now let's compare this to active income. Active income is the money you earn by trading your time for it. Think of your 9-to-5 job where you clock in, work your hours, and get paid for that time. The downside? There are only so many hours in a day, limiting your earning potential. On the contrary, passive income isn't tied to the number of hours you work. It's about setting up income streams that continue to generate cash even when you're not directly working on them. This could be anything from writing a best-selling book, owning real estate, or even creating viral YouTube content. The key is that these activities all generate income after the initial effort has been put in. Now, why would someone want to earn passive income? Well, who wouldn't want to make money while they sleep? But more than that, it's about financial freedom and flexibility. It's about breaking free from the shackles of time-for-money exchange and creating a life where you're not constantly worrying about the next paycheck. It's about building a safety net, creating wealth, and having the freedom to pursue what genuinely matters to you. Remember, while passive income can provide financial freedom, it doesn't mean there's no work involved. It requires upfront effort, strategic planning, and consistent dedication. But once set up, these income streams can pay dividends for years, even decades to come. Now that you understand the magic of passive income, let's dive into the top 5 strategies to make money online. First up on our list is affiliate marketing, a lucrative venture for the clever and patient. Now, you might be wondering, what is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's a method where you promote products or services of a company and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Imagine this: you found a wonderful product that you genuinely love and use. You share this product with your friends, family, or followers via a unique affiliate link. If someone makes a purchase through your link, voila! You've just made a commission. Affiliate marketing has been a goldmine for many. Take Pat Flynn, for example, an ordinary guy who turned into a successful entrepreneur. Flynn started an affiliate marketing website called Smart Passive Income. He shares his knowledge about online business and marketing, and guess what? He now earns over $2 million a year, most of it from affiliate marketing. But how do you choose profitable affiliate products or programs? First, select products that align with your interests or your brand's niche. Promoting a product you're passionate about makes the process more authentic and enjoyable. Second, consider the commission rate. Higher commission rates can lead to higher earnings, but remember, it's not just about the rate. The product's quality and relevance to your audience are just as important. Third, evaluate the product's demand and competition. If there's high demand and low competition, you've hit the jackpot. Now, how do you promote these products effectively? Content is king. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience. This could be through blogs, videos, podcasts, or social media posts. Use SEO strategies to increase your visibility online. The higher you rank on search engines, the more traffic you'll attract. Engage with your audience. Answer their questions, offer advice, and build trust. Remember, people buy from those they trust. And lastly, be patient. Success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and persistence. Mastering affiliate marketing means mastering a way to earn while you sleep. Now let's move on to our next strategy. Next on our list is the world of knowledge. Yes, we're talking about creating and selling online courses and ebooks. With the digital revolution at its peak, the potential for earning passive income through online courses and ebooks is immense. Everyone is an expert at something, and there are people out there willing to pay for that expertise. First off, let's talk about identifying a niche for your courses or ebooks. It's essential to find a subject you're passionate about, but it's equally important that it's a subject others are interested in learning. Conducting market research can help you find that sweet spot where your passion meets demand. Look for trending topics, gaps in existing content, or areas where you can bring a unique perspective. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to create your course or ebook. This might sound daunting, but remember, you're an expert in your field, and you have valuable knowledge to share. Focus on creating content that is high quality, informative, and engaging. Break down complex topics into digestible chunks. Use real-world examples to illustrate abstract concepts. And most importantly, always aim to provide value to your potential customers. But what about selling your digital products? There are numerous platforms available that can host and sell your courses and ebooks. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, not only provide the infrastructure you need to sell your products, but they also expose your offerings to their massive user base. It's like having your own marketing team. Now, a quick tip before we wrap up this section. Always remember, the key to success in selling online courses and ebooks is to continuously update and improve your content based on feedback and evolving trends. Your first version might not be perfect, and that's okay. The most important thing is to keep learning, improving, and providing value to your customers. Your knowledge is valuable, so why not monetize it? And speaking of value, let's move on to our next strategy, dividend investing. Welcome to the world of stocks, where your money works for you. Imagine a world where your investment pays you a portion of its earnings at regular intervals. Sounds wonderful, right? Well, that's exactly what dividend investing is all about. You see, some companies distribute a part of their profits back to their shareholders. These are called dividends. By investing in such companies, you can earn a steady income without lifting a finger. But how do you pick the right dividend-paying stocks? Well, it all starts with research. You need to look for companies that have a history of paying dividends consistently. It's also important to consider the dividend yield, which is the annual dividend payment divided by the stock's current market price. A higher dividend yield could mean a larger income for you. But remember, a high yield isn't everything. You should also consider the company's growth prospects and financial health. After all, a company that's in a strong financial position is more likely to keep paying dividends in the future. Now you might be wondering, where can you find all this information? Well, there are plenty of resources and tools out there that can help. Websites like Yahoo Finance, Google Finance, and Bloomberg provide detailed financial information about different companies. There are also brokerage platforms that offer advanced tools for stock analysis. Dividend investing isn't just about earning a steady income, though. It's also a great strategy for long-term investing. You see, when you reinvest your dividends, you're essentially buying more shares of the company. Over time, this can lead to compounding growth, which can significantly increase the value of your investment. So, there you have it. Dividend investing is a powerful way to build a passive income stream and grow your wealth over time. But remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires research, strategic thinking, and patience. Remember, investing requires research and patience. Now, let's explore a different kind of investment, real estate crowdfunding. Our next strategy is a relatively new player in the investment field, real estate crowdfunding. This innovative approach involves pooling together funds from multiple investors to finance a real estate project. It's like being part of a team that buys a building, without needing to fork out all the cash yourself. The advantages are clear. It allows you to enter the real estate market with a smaller budget, and you can share both the risks and rewards with other investors. But like any investment, it's not without its risks. The project could fail, or the market could take a downturn. There have been some great success stories, like the revitalization of a historic building in downtown Los Angeles that was funded by over 1,000 individual investors. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul make it easy for anyone to get started. Real estate crowdfunding makes the property market accessible to all. Now, let's move on to our final strategy. Last but not least, we have a strategy that has been around for a while, blogging. Blogging is an art, a craft that, when done right, can generate a steady stream of passive income. How, you ask? By choosing the right niche and creating quality content that resonates with your readers. The trick is to find a topic you're passionate about, something you can talk about for days on end. This passion will shine through your words and keep your readers coming back for more. But passion alone won't pay the bills. That's where monetization methods come in. You can monetize your blog through ads, sponsored content, or even by selling your own products or services. The key is to find what works best for your audience and your brand. Building a successful blog doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, patience, and a lot of hard work. But the beauty of blogging is that once you've built a loyal audience, the income becomes passive. Blogging is a marathon, not a sprint, but the rewards are worth the effort. Now let's wrap things up. We've explored a lot today, from affiliate marketing to blogging. We've dived into the world of online courses and ebooks, and peered into the promising field of dividend investing. We've also ventured into the exciting realm of real estate crowdfunding. Each of these strategies can be a powerful vehicle for generating passive income. But remember, the key to success in any of these areas is consistency and dedication. Building a passive income stream is like planting a seed. It takes time, care, and patience. But with diligent nurturing, that seed can grow into a sturdy tree, bearing the fruits of financial freedom. And remember, you don't have to choose just one strategy. The beauty of passive income is that it allows for diversification. So, explore these strategies, find what resonates with you, and take that first step. Remember, the journey to passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. But with patience, persistence, and a little bit of courage, you can reach the finish line. So start today and create your financial freedom.